Hello friends, are you aware about a feature called Focus Cell in Excel? This video I will be explaining it with help of use case scenario. I have an Excel file with some data. Okay. Now let's say I want to print it. So normally what we would do, we will apply borders, cell borders to all the cells which we want to print. Okay. So I created a copy of this same file with cell borderings intended for printing. Okay. Now if you notice, it becomes a bit difficult on eye to locate that which cell is selected. Okay. So now how do we solve this problem? Option 1, you remove the border formatting, okay, when you want to view it. But again, that is not feasible because it will take time. Okay, so there is a one handy option for this. Okay, just go to View tab and check for option called Focus Cell. So I will click here. Okay, now moment I activate this, so you can see row and column being highlighted of wherever my selected cell is there. Okay, so this is a way you can very easily know that which cell is selected in Excel. Okay, so this is not a color formatting being applied by Excel in real time. Just for display purpose, Excel is highlighting it. I know you have few questions. So the first question is that, hey, I am not able to see this feature of focus cell in my Excel. Now the reason is simple. So this feature was introduced in early 2026. So you need to have Microsoft 365 version of Excel for this. Otherwise, I will suggest sign up for a free Microsoft account and use browser-based version of Excel where this feature is available. Lastly, friends, if you like this technique, do like the video, share it and subscribe to the YouTube channel.